The Lamborghini Aventador is a mid-engine sports car produced by the Italian manufacturer Lamborghini. Launched on February 28, 2011 at the Geneva Motor Show, 5 months after its initial unveiling in Sant'Agata Bolognese, the vehicle, internally codenamed LB834, was designed to replace the then decade-old Murciélago as the new flagship model. Soon after the Aventador unveiling, Lamborghini announced that it had already sold over 12 of the production vehicles, with deliveries starting in the second half of 2011. By March 2016, Lamborghini had already built 5,000 Aventadors, taking 5 years to achieve this milestone. The 2013 Aventador LP700-4 Roadster was announced for production on December 27, 2012, equipped with the same V12 engine as the coupe version. Lamborghini claims again that it can reach 97 km/h, 60 mph, in less than 3 seconds and a top speed of more than 350 km/h, 217 mph. The removable roof consists of 2 carbon fiber panels, weighing 6 kg, 13 lb, each, which required the reinforcement of the rear pillar to compensate for the loss of structural integrity as well as to accommodate the rollover protection and ventilation systems for the engine. The panels are easily removable and are stored in the front luggage compartment. The Aventador Roadster has a unique engine cover design and an attachable wind deflector to improve cabin airflow at high speed, as well as a gloss black finish in the A-pillars, windshield header, roof panels, and rear window area. The car has a $441,600 base price. With a total weight of 1,625 kilograms, 3,583 lb, it's only 50 kilograms, 110 lb, heavier than the coupe, the weight of the roof, plus additional stiffening in the sills and A-pillars. Its transmission, a single-clutch 7-speed semi-automatic, is built by Graziano Trasmissioni. Despite being single-clutch, gear shifts are accomplished in 50 milliseconds. The new, electronically controlled, all-wheel drive system is developed and supplied by the Swedish company Haldex Traction, offering traction and handling capabilities based on their 4th-generation technology. Lamborghini Aventador LP700-4 has a power-to-weight ratio of 2.25 kg, 4.96 lb, per horsepower.